Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Casa Naturals. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make thyme tea for your hair growth, treat dandruff and hair loss. So word of inspiration is coming from John chapter 10 verse 1. I and my father are one. So these are the products that we're going to use. We're going to use sage, strainer, funnel, preservative, spatula, balls, and a few jars to help us. Okay, so I'm getting a bowl and measuring 2 tablespoons of our thyme tea leaves. And then you have to make sure that you have boiling water. So we are pouring our boiling water into our sage leaves. So make sure that you stir it a bit and then you leave it to cool and to infuse. So benefits of thyme water: contains a cure for hair loss, treat dandruff, darken the color of your hair, maintain smoothness of your skin, and maintain the cleanness of the scalp. So thyme herb is rich in potassium, magnesium, selenium, so if it can activate the hair follicles leading to hair growth, and it contains antiseptic and antifungal properties to maintain the healthy of your scalp. So now we are straining our thyme tea. As you can see, the color has changed, meaning that it has infused so well. So like you can use this tea to as a leave-in spray or as a rinse. Yes, either way they do work, and you have to be consistent, like to see how the product work. You don't have to use just once and then you say like it doesn't work. So we are transferring our thyme tea into a spray bottle. So like our thyme tea is ready at this point, but because we don't want a bacteria and microbial to start crawling in our product, we are going to preserve it with a natural preservative, just 1%. So you can use whatever preservative you have, but of course I'll link it in the description box below. That's how it looks like. So lovely. Yes. So now I'm going to show you how you can use it in your hair. One way is just by spraying it like it's a leave-in. So like I didn't want to manipulate my hair like I'm doing this hairstyle, which I did yesterday. Like I've manipulated my hair quite a lot, so I don't want that, and that's the reason why I didn't want to braid my hair or to put it in a protective hairstyle. I'm going to leave this hairstyle in for at least 5 days or 1 week. Yes, so thank you so much dear friends for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do so. Bye bye, see you in my next video, and God bless you.